Hi there and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. We just got done mowing, weed eating, blowing the shore here. Trimmed up the branches and came across another bird's nest, and I haven't been up there yet because I didn't have my phone so I can record it. But it's right there. Wasn't in the danger zone at all. We trimmed up right around it, no problem. Actually had some fresh green growth. Just now starting to come in real good. I don't have no idea. There's some cool moss on this tree though. Never seen it before. Oh, like little spores or something in there. That's pretty cool. Oh man, I forgot. I'm up here in the damn. Got some eggs in the damn momma. Oh no, it does. Let me see. Oh shit. Oh shit. There she is. There she is. You see her? There she is. Yep, right there. She's gonna come over here and tear my head up. Right there. We can go ahead and get out of here. I don't want to upset her. No, she's already upset anyway. Oh, yep. She's already in this. There she is. There she is. I see her. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Peace.